Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, akekho umuntu obikelwa njengo-GoFlow. Listen, any smallanyana inconvenience that happens there by them Selegu family, best believe uGoFlow is going to know about it. At this point, I'm even feeling like once umusa even lights lay on paper, uGoFlow is like, hey, wena oyekungicefezela nje, because listen, everyone's ndabas are going to come out like this, like that. But anyway, guys, on Wednesday's episode, we do know that Umusa does go and bigela his ancestors about umsebenzi that he wants to do. But there's something that he said that I'm just like, I am Musa. Why ngatudlala ngathi, guys? So Umusa makes it clear ukuthi the reason why he's sick is because abantu abadala are trying to show forth themselves through him. I'm like, how? Kanjani manje Musa? Didn't Umusa say a few episodes back ukuthi the reason why he got sick is because of uMangwabe, because uMangwabe is always saying ukuthi she's leaving. Now on this episode, he's saying the reason why he got sick is because the ancestors, they the ones who made him sick so that they can show forth themselves ukuthi they are still alive. That for me bothered me in a sense, you guys, because it made me feeling at Musa, why ngati this sickness he's using it to his advantage or uses it whenever he feels like it's convenient for him. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because how is he expecting uMangwabe to feel when she watched that episode when Umusa said ukuthi she's the cause ukuthi egula. Snining, he did say ukuthi the reason why egula is because there's no unity. So that means ukuthi whenever it's convenient for you, when you use this thing and say ukuthi it's no longer the son who lokuza unkundusileyo, it's this one, hi guys. That is just being mischievous. Next thing is going to say sne when unkulisileyo because young hrupa and whatnot. I'm just like, Musa, no. This is not fair. And Umangwabe did say something. She said, ever since Musa has been sick, it's been worse than ever. And now those words are ringing in my head and making me think, is Umusa using this thing as an advantage towards him? Is he using this Bayokola to push whatever he really wanted to push and hopes the wives are going to be lenient on him, people are going to be lenient on him because now he was sick or is sick or something like that. But like, guys, you can't be having 5 reasons. Okay, maybe you can have 5 reasons to why you are sick, but you can't be using those reasons against people or to make people feel guilty and change and switch them up whenever it's convenient for you. I just feel like that is just being manipulative and it's being mischievous. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this, because I was just like, Musa, no, come on. Oh yeah, if it's the ancestors, say ukuthi it's the ancestors. Don't now go point other people when it's convenient for you, because how do you expect those people to feel if anything else happens to you? But guys, it does seem like in next week's episode, Musa, I don't know if he's going to get sick again, but it looks like he's having a conversation or Abongwe telling Abongwe ukuthi you guys, and he's crying. It looks like such an emotional conversation, and I'm just like, this man, sometimes you will want to feel sorry for him, but at the same time you just like, hey. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.